All right, first look. These are the new Vanguards. They just went on sale today. They're available in the Meta store, and first trying them out, the audio is fantastic. That is other than the fact that they're enormous on my face, that's the biggest departure from the earlier devices, is that the audio is much louder and sounds fantastic. They also have the camera in the center here, and when you take a picture, I look like a Cylon with it blinking over there side by side. Let's take a picture. The other one is hyperlapse, so the default video on here is hyperlapse. Yeah, they're huge. They're still comfortable. I think they're way too big for my face. They come in one size, not different sizes, so I would need a smaller one if they came with that, hopefully in the future. There's another guy here who has a much bigger head, and he said it's a little bit tight for him with the indents in the back here, so to each their own, I guess. We all have different heads, but so far so good. I have been playing around with them for the last 10 minutes. I'm going to grab this pair and bring them home and do a review in the studio. I do love the fact that they wrap around. I'm a big fan of the wraparound and prefer that for my sports glasses, but I'm going to stick to the Meta Ray-Bans and the Meta displays because I don't really like glasses that are this big. But hey, you asked, I'll do a review. Stay tuned, subscribe, all that jazz.